I'm Rafael Giorjao from EWI, and my top here at FABTECH today was repair performance of cold spray deposits using friction stir processing.
And I'm Mitch Matheny, the Vice President of Commercial Sales with EWI. I think Rafael gave a fantastic presentation. I'm here to support him.
Our topic focuses on friction stir processing, on reprocessing cold spray deposits that are challenging to do because of the material that we are using. For example, the work hardened alloy A5056, and using, for example, a nitrogen carrier, which is a lower cost option. And that process itself is challenging, but we could make that feasible using an additional friction stir process step. Friction stir plus cold spray promoted a high quality deposition and adhesion to the substrate with good mechanical performance. So cold spray is a well-established technology, especially on the defense industry. So adding that extra step at a low cost to enhance mechanical performance can help, for example, mitigate problems, repair cracks, repair defects that happens over time on cold spray deposits on several applications of the defense industry.
Manufacturers have a host of requirements, but there's two that always come to top of mind. One is enhanced properties, or we might call it quality, always pushing the limits of materials and material science, but they also want a reasonable cost. And so the research that Rafael presented today tries to give us the best of both worlds, enhancing material properties and doing it in an economical way that folks can implement on the shop floor.
Everyone that is interested in that work and in future applications or similar applications can reach us on ewi.org or on our personal emails. Mine is rgiorjao@ewi.org.
Or if you want to reach out for business development, mmatheny@ewi.org anytime.